So Tesla stock is trying to make a top signal today, just after hitting our 191 target. This may indicate that there is a pullback coming for Tesla. However, remember that pullbacks are different than reversals. And in this video, I will explain that difference, what's happening here with Tesla, and what it needs to do in order to technically turn bearish again. Or at least to convince me that it could reverse this bullish sentiment. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. So let's start our Tesla analysis over here, looking at the daily chart. Well, the day is not over yet, all right? We still have a couple of hours left, but so far it is trying to do a top signal, which could be a gravestone doji, or even maybe a shooting star candlestick pattern. It doesn't matter. We are doing a top signal under a technical resistance level. This might indicate a pullback. Why do I say might indicate a pullback? Because this top signal wasn't triggered yet. And maybe Tesla will never trigger this top signal, just like it did top signals under clear resistance levels in the past. This time, we could just do a top signal without triggering it. A good example is right here. Right here on March 17, Tesla did a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, a classic, relatively powerful bearish signal, which Tesla failed miserably in triggering. And what's more, this top signal appeared just under the 21 MA on the daily chart. So top signal under resistance level, it wasn't triggered at all. So we don't know if this top signal will get triggered or not. If it does, what if Tesla actually triggers this top signal? Then it is going to trigger a pullback. Any pullback to the 177 or maybe even to the 21 MA on the daily chart is totally normal. It is totally acceptable. And of course, any bullish signal, any bottom signal around any of its support levels would probably be a buy signal. Why? Because Tesla is in a bull trend. Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows. It is above the 21 MA. The 21 MA is pointing upwards. All the checklist is complete over here. So any bottom signal around 177, around the 21 MA, which is ascending, by the way, is going up as time passes, it is going to be just a possible buy signal, because in theory, this is what Tesla is doing. The trend is bullish. Tesla is doing higher highs, higher lows. This is it. Any buy around the support level would have a very good risk-reward ratio, and this is how I see the situation, okay? Because we are in a bull trend. Tesla is clearly bullish right now. Now, you may say, oh Nathan, but Tesla is bearish, right? Tesla is bearish long-term speaking, especially when we look at the weekly chart over here, for instance, right? Since November 2021, we have been doing nothing but lower highs, lower lows. However, on the daily chart, especially after April 26, in the past month, essentially, we are doing nothing but higher highs, higher lows. And that's the difference between a pullback and a reversal. A pullback is just a correction in the middle of a bull trend. Now, in order for Tesla to actually materialize a bearish structure, reversing the bullish sentiment on the daily chart, Tesla would have to do this, would have to do a bottom, and then it must fail in breaking the previous top level, doing a lower high and then losing the previous low. By doing lower highs, lower lows, Tesla is going to materialize a bearish reversal. Only then we can talk about shorting Tesla, selling Tesla, etc. Right now, Tesla is just bullish. Mid-term speaking, it is just bullish. Long-term speaking, it is not bullish yet, because we have yet to break this bullish flag over here, okay? We almost hit the ceiling over here, right? We almost hit this upper purple trend line over here, right? Almost. So if Tesla actually breaks this 191 by closing above it on the daily chart, there is a very high chance that we are going to break free from this descending channel over here. And we are going to possibly trigger this flag chart pattern on the weekly chart, long-term speaking, which its technical target is the size of the pole projected in the direction of the breakout, indicating that we could easily seek the all-time high over here again. Why is it yellow? Let me change its color again so you guys can see it better, right? To black. Okay, so see, Tesla still has an enormous potential, long-term speaking. The only thing missing over here is a crystal clear breakout of the 191 and again at the same time of this bullish flag on the weekly chart. If Tesla completes all of this checklist, then I firmly believe that Tesla is going to reverse the long-term trend. It is going to turn bullish again for the first time since 2021, because last time Tesla did something bullish on the weekly chart was in 2021, right? We were doing higher highs, higher lows over here. And then we only did lower highs, lower lows after that. So if Tesla actually triggers this bullish flag, it is going to be an enormous, huge, interesting, bullish reversal structure, long-term speaking. So let's just wait for the breakout and let's keep your eyes open at the 191 resistance because this is the key point we gotta break. And you know what? You gotta follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm keeping you guys updated on many interesting stuff over there and I'm answering your questions. Today I will answer the questions you guys left me on my story. Alright, so just follow me on Instagram to keep in touch with my daily life here in Brazil. And of course, if you are still not my subscriber, remember to subscribe this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks. Now, short-term speaking, Tesla is still extremely bullish. Look at this movement over here, right? Since we triggered this pivot point, Tesla is doing an insane rally over here. Right now, as far as I know, we are doing a pullback to the 21 EMA. And this is it. It is a very simple situation, right? It is just a pullback. There is not a single bearish reversal structure, short-term speaking, indicating that mid-term speaking, it could trigger its pullback. All right. So either way, let's keep your eyes open over here, right? Because this candlestick looks bearish, right? It does look bearish. So if we actually trigger a top signal over here, let's just keep your eyes open at the 177, the 21 EMA on the daily chart. Any bullish reaction around this area over here might be just a buy signal. And of course, if you want to trade with me, take a look at my website, join the top 5% project. The link is in the description of this video. Daily premium analysis on Tesla, Nvidia, and other stocks. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.